Alright, we're recording. Awesome, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I just got home and I got a package in the mail that I'm very excited about. More than I was excited about to get my new Mighty Car Mod shirt, which is awesome because it came from Australia, halfway across the world. But man, guys, it's one size too small. This is like a stuffed sausage situation here, where it's just a little too snug. So I got this box in the mail today from Super Troopers 2. Back when they were doing their crowdfunding, I donated or contributed $75 to the deal because I wanted to see the movie get made, and because they had some cool perks going on, apparel, merchandise, knick-knack stuff. So all that's here today, and we're going to do an unboxing. As Adam the Woo would say, join me, shall you? Okay, so it's 4/20 today as well. Super Troopers 2 is in theaters today. So I donated the $75, and along with the merchandise, you got a ticket to the movie. So I've already got my ticket, which is awesome. I just have to make time to go see it. But let's get this open and see what we got. Packing slip. I don't need that. Here are your bonus perks. This is awesome. Bonus perks from the Broken Lizard guys. Looks like we got a sticker set. Let's see there. Oh yeah. Alright. So the first thing in here, we got a Broken Lizard sticker set, which is kind of cool. We got the Super Troopers 2, the Johnny Chimpo, and the Time is Meow. Did you say meow? And then we've got the Vermont Highway Patrol patch. That's pretty awesome right there. I'm not really a patch guy, but that one's pretty cool. It's actually pretty damn thick. I'm sure you could iron that on. It's got the little, catch the light there, it's got that iron on adhesive. So like, I don't know what I'd put it on, but like, I could put it on something. Alright, what else we got in here? I see a shirt, and I see an empty bag because it fell out of the bag. So it's in the bottom there. We got the Vermont Highway Patrol badge. Now for the $75 perk, you know, I was kind of expecting this would probably be a cheap Chinese plastic deal. It's not, it's metal. It's probably, well, let's see. Because I got a scale. If the batteries are not kaput on it, which they are. Alright, you know, it's probably, it's kind of hefty. I don't think it's aluminum. I think it's actually, I mean, it could be brass. 100% brass. So then you got the Highway Patrol, and then on the back side you've got the Super Troopers 2 logo there. Back into the box. And we got the Vermont Highway Patrol 2XL because Super Troopers can get it right, but Mighty Car Mods can't. The 2XL, because I'm a big guy, in dark green. Let's do that side. In the dark green, and that thing looks awesome. I think I'm going to wear it tonight, because tonight is also my sister's birthday, so I think we're going to have to go have wings at the Palm. Here's something, though. Where in the fuck did... You know when you unbox and you throw shit around? And then you gotta find that later? Where in the fuck did that go? There should have been a packing list, because there should be a set of aviators in here as well. Well, let's look on the order. I don't think I missed anything, did I? Okay. Packing list, badge, bonus perks. Oh, there's also supposed to be a mustache. You know, fake mustache. The shirt. And the sunglasses. So... Mighty Car Mods might have gotten my shirt size wrong, but at least they sent me everything. Huh. Where in the fuck did I throw that packing list to? There it is. Alright. Well, it's there. Mustache and aviators. Well, apparently someone's not doing their job right. Anyway, I'll have to email them and see what we can do about remedying that situation. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're new here, hit the, subscribe. Subscribe first, then hit like. Hit that bell for notifications, which, if you're on YouTube, you're on YouTube, and you see them pop up anyway. I'm excited to go see Super Troopers 2. I hear good things. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.